up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just now leaving the house. I got the fuel can over here sitting on the floor of the car, and I'm gonna go and get gas for the budget turbo K car, and I'm gonna go and ship out these intercooler piping. Well, this intercooler piping kit and rear trailer, not rear trailer mount, but the rear diff mount kit for the customer in Colorado. Then we're gonna head to the shop, put gas in the car, and hopefully fire it up and here stay running. Oh, I also need to get that crank seal, so I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's and get the crank seal also. All right, trolling. Don't mind my change mess down there on the floor, but what the hell is that noise? Anyway, we're here at the gas station, and I'm gonna get some old. Jesus Christ, you see this shit? Thanks, Uncle Joe. Why is it so expensive here? This is ridiculous. Get the old petrol. Some fresh 93. Alright, on to the shop. All right, so she runs. So I did not get the crank seal this morning like a dumbass, and I drove straight past O'Reilly's because I went to go ship some stuff, and I drove past O'Reilly's to go to the post office, and I didn't get it. So I just called. They do have it in stock, so I'm gonna go and pick it up. I'm gonna first see if these axles that he provided will work. If not, I'm gonna have to order axles. Hopefully they do. Won't get on the dyno today because I forgot that I ordered a map sensor for it, because it is on a stock map sensor right now, and I'm putting a 4-bar in it, and the fuel pump isn't here yet. Well, the fuel pump should be here tomorrow, and the map sensor, so hopefully we'll be on the dyno tomorrow. So I'm gonna go back out to the parts store after I check these axles and see if I can, well, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna put the axles in here go back to the parts store, or go to the parts store, pick the shit up. I also need to pick up trans fluid, come back, put it together, and I should be able to drive it around after that. And I got to put his injectors in. Alright guys, so I got the axles in the car, got trans fluid in here, got the fuel pump in here, got the new map sensor skunk tube Johnny, the 1000cc injectors. We just got to change the plugs, and I did a little once over everything, and everything looks fine. The only thing I have to do left to do is put a fan on here and an intake air temp sensor, and the car will be ready to be dynoed. I think we're planning on doing like a little dyno day on Sunday. Today's Friday, and we got like this car to tune. We have this purple Accord that's over there, a single cam, well, those two single cams, the green coupe and the multicolored coupe, and should be like another car, but we're gonna do all those cars in like one day, get them done, and then get them out of here. And I'll post this car up in that video also. But until then, as always, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.